Good morning, parents and any students that are attending this virtual open house. I'm going to discuss as much as I can the process for students to stay caught up if they were to be quarantined or to get sick and be out of school. So the first thing for them to do will be to check Focus daily. And when I mean check Focus daily, I mean to go to Launchpad through the Brevard Public Schools website. And once they get on their Launchpad, they'll have a screen that looks similar to this. And then they need to open up Focus. Their Focus page will look a little bit different than mine, but they are ultimately trying to go to their web pages for their classes. And I'm just going to go over my first and second period geometry class at this time to give you an idea of what the students will be seeing. Once they go into their class and open that class's website, everything for this class is found under this resources tab. They won't have a settings tab, they'll just have a news and a resources. If they click on resources, that is everything that's happened in class. Starting from day one, their poster project, all the way through yesterday's assignment that was on page 31. I upload notes from class and practice problems each day, and then I upload a page or a textbook page that has those practice problems on there. Upon completion of those problems, I just ask that the students take a picture of their work and email it to me. As soon as I see that email, I can give them credit in the grade book. I will post study guides on Thursdays to this site, and I will also post their Friday quiz. Same with the Friday quiz. When they finish the quiz, complete the quiz, take a picture of your answers and email them to me. With that being said, that is how this class is going to operate for the students when they're not in class. If you have any individual questions, please email me. Also, please do not email me, or I'm sorry, but please do not message me through Focus Messenger. It's too hard to keep track of so many messages on multiple platforms. So I'm guiding all my conversations to email. And if you could please adhere to that, it would be very beneficial for both of us. So again, if you have any questions, please email me directly. Other than that, that's all I have for this open house. Hopefully, most of your sons and daughters will be able to attend school on a regular basis and not get sick or get quarantined. So that's all for now. Thank you.